Hello, 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 my local YouTube family. Hello, manners and respect. What up? What up? What up? Hey, you get to understand, say, somehow do not get in on the part. But listen to me now. Well, as we go along, we're going to tell you some of the little things then that we talk when me think you might not understand. When me say, what up, it means what happened, what's happening. When me say yo, it means I, hello. Some of them little things there. When me say manners and respect, it means thank you, I love you, or thank you, I appreciate it. Boom. Yeah man, I your girl Debbie from down a yard. Yeah, this evening we are going to look at some little stir-fried cabbage, Jamaican style or Fimi style, my way, right? Right here, so we have some salt water. Yeah, we have a walk over there, so give them a shot now. All of you new to the channel, this is Jesse, my masterpiece, and this I'm a boy Joe. I'm a boy Joe, the right here, so. But all I know where I come from, you know, few weeks back with me, I don't know where I go on. So just for who new, we are do the introduction. Okay? Right back over here, we have one medium sized cabbage and one small one. So we are go. Yeah? See them there? Well firm too, you know. Alright. Inside, I'm a walk here, so which is Joe. Cause me you know me refer to my pot them by them name. We have some little something I go on. You know, as usual, I try to get out my flavor with my scallion. And right in it, me have some sweet pepper, me I put in all like I just source of flavor where I look this evening. Everything I go in one time. I have 3 peg of garlic, but I go crush them. Mash them out with my knife. I'll get them in. Yeah. Trying to get out the flavor out of the herbs. If you notice, I mostly herbs me use. I don't use a lot of powdered seasoning. My thing are mostly herbs. We are notch up the flame. You know the notching up? Yeah man. We're going to ride and whistle as usual. And you don't know for me thing as usual. Alright, watch how we are cut food cabbage then. So we are cut them. Give them a little in pan the cabbage. They show them how me cut my cabbage. Me cut my cabbage with the stalk. I want to want everybody in. I don't cut out nothing. Every single body in. Yeah? If you ever smell the scallion and something, put on the camera and make them see how I cut my cabbage. Everybody, once not believe them clean, everybody eat. Yeah? Stir fried cabbage. I'm going to show you when I serve it up with. Yeah. So, I invite you in, me ride and me whistle. Me ride, me whistle, me talk to you, because me wait for the flavor to get extracted out of the scallion and then something over there. So this is my salt water, right? I always put my vegetable in them in salt water. We are going to put them in there and thing. So we are going to notch up back with flavor. You know, me I invite you for just come along as we go on the journey. Little Jamaican cooking journey, yeah? For me thing and for me thing. Alright. We have a little drain of something here. So we are going to take them out of the salt water. Put them in there so. You know the flavor come out, we have put them in there so. Then go and finish drain out. Stir fry cabbage. Debbie from down a yard way. West Indian delights way. And you know we do our thing different, you know. Our thing always different. We are just we. You see? Alright. We get that out. I could take this out of the way. But say me while you do, you have to look over this, so you know. Right? Put on the camera. In Panjo there. Let them see. All the flavor come out. All the vegetable they look over there. Scallion and something. Put it on the Panjo there. Make them see what go on. 2 stir. Once you see them start get limp. Zoom in pan it, what let me mean by limp. Them start to lose them crunchiness. That means the flavor extract out of it. And that's where I look for. The flavor. Just the flavor. Right? So right away, we're ready to put in the cabbage. Flame up and we put them in. See them? I saw me put them in. I'm not take out nothing. Stir fry cabbage me I do. Right, so me I telling you, say the little Jamaican thing here. You know I'm gonna love the journey, little Jamaican cooking journey, you know. I know I'm gonna love. Yeah? So as we go along for each one of our video then, we make you know 1 and 2 of the little patwa. Because I know I'm interested to learn it, you know. I know I love it. You understand? So, that's how we are rolling so this evening. Stir fry cabbage. Give them a shot in here so. We are putting the our mixed herbs. All of you that use who watch my video them from a few weeks now realize that I just mostly like mixed herbs and fresh herbs me use. And I use this whole for seasoning that. I don't deal with that. I put the salt. Remember me tell you no. Moderately on the salt. If you notice, my salting is always this size. And it is best if you have your big something of salt, you know. But get one little salt shaker and put some in it. Put it by your kitchen cupboard. It's because sometimes, you know, with the big something of salt, we go way overboard. And you know that's not good for we. So, this me use. We can always touch it up if it needs that touch up. Yeah. Alright. So we again. Stir fry it near me now. So as you stir, you know it go. Because look here, it must be with cabbage. We want it crunchy. Right? Crunchy. Real crunchy. So me while that I go on in this so. Me I talk to now. We are going to put the camera for me there. Me I stir it now. And me I ride and whistle. We are going to embark on some serious cooking journey. Jamaican, real authentic Jamaican cooking, real Jamaican food. You got care on that journey there and make you know the real all the things set up. You understand? We are going to go outside round in my backyard and we are going to go on with some serious things around there. You know? So, I invite you now to come on the journey, man. Make we enjoy some Jamaican moments in my kitchen here. Eat some Jamaican food, chat some patois. Yeah. Yeah? That's how go on. Aye. Give them a shot in a Jessie there. Make them look. A Jessie that you know. Me did do that at that time, off camera. That are some cooked down saltfish. Look on that. Give them a shot. Roll it in there good, make them see what I want. Yeah? Boom. Girl Jessie. Right? And listen to me. Put the camera up on me. Let them hear me. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tomorrow, the 19th, is my 1-month anniversary on YouTube. And thank you who have made it with me. My little views, my little subscribers. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. And for all who don't understand what I just said, thank you all. I love you. I appreciate you. Back in a drawer. Yeah? Remember, it means stir fry cabbage, you know. So you stir as you go along, and meanwhile you stir, it a fry. Right? A stir fry cabbage it means. We want to get it nice, nice, nice. So look at this. This is like a slice, you know. See? This is like a slice of cabbage. Alright. We not have far left, you know. We don't want to feel like so we have far. We ain't got far to go. Because as soon as it finish, after you see we turn off the heat, it's still cooking, you know. That extra heat, we're in it, finish it up. I don't know about you, if you don't like cabbage cook. Some people like them cabbage cook how long till it's soft and all them something and, you know, softy and saggy. No, not me. I don't like it that way. But feel free to do it how you want to do it. So we are looking for color too, but we could have a little more colored pepper, you know. But you know, so all the while we get what we want in our life, or so it goes. So as you know, my motto is use what you have, work with what you have. Alright. For me, that done. Alright. Let me get this cutting board out of the way. Whoop. See do. Little accident. All accident. Get out the way. All accident. But we take care of that. We take care of that over this. So don't worry yourself. Yeah, man. See? We have a nice little bowl. Inside, the camera make them see what I go. We are going to dish up some of our cabbage. Yeah. Take up some slices. Yep. In pan it, make them see what we are doing now. Make them see how me angle my cabbage pot. In pan it. The crunchiness out of the cabbage. In, right in on it. Make them see how my stir-fry cabbage look when it's finished. Right? Alright. See there? Give them a shot at it in my hand. That is how my stir-fry cabbage look when it's finished. Me not done. Going right over here inside Jessie. Make them look in at Jessie there. She have some cook up saltfish. Cook with it. We get out all of the sweetness out of the onion and the flavor. See it? And we are going to put some to the side. If you want to incorporate your cabbage, feel free. Some people incorporate it. I don't like my cabbage mix up with nothing for go get too saggy. Yeah? Alright. Don't worry yourself with them little edge. You know we can take care of them. You know we good like that. So we think that right over here. And we have it. Like that. Yeah? We are going to fix it. Fix it. Presentable. Yup. Hello. Me done. Right on the top there. Come in to come. I want 3 slices of the raw Scotch bonnet pepper. Garnish my cabbage. 3 slices. I don't want the Scotch bonnet cook out. But listen to me now. You don't play with this, you know, because this is not cabbage. You need to get this well clean and tailored, because listen to me, it can kick up rumpus. Let me get rid of that. Yeah. Line them up on the table. I'm going to take them out of the way because we're done with them. You know how you see this from the video starting now. Inside of that, zoom right in on that. And let's see what going right there, so. Right in on it. Inside here, so we have some, you're in on it, let them see some good old Trelawney yellow yam. Yeah? Trelawney yellow yam. We have some cornmeal dumpling. Real, authentic, old time, long time, gummy Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. Right from out of the pot water. Hot and ready. We not done. And we have 2 slices of breadfruit. Here where we cook. When the breadfruit at that stage I can't roast, so we cook it down here and we eat it, mama. That's how we run it. So see we there? See we there? That's we. Yup. Make them look. Make them look. Make me clean up my area. Me need to clean up. Let them look. Yup. See it there? You know, so now if you water down. Yeah, little beverage. Little beverage. Little beverage. Now if you cool down, now if you cool down. Yeah. See how we are, because the time is hot. 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 Yeah. So you have your water. But remember, try. All of we guilty of this, so me I go tell you now. Try to eat and give yourself at least 15 minutes before you drink, whether you water or you juice. But all we guilty from time to time, we eat and drink. But try, make we practice it. Me and all guilty of it too. Right? So see here. Another Jamaican dish. Stir-fried cabbage and saltfish. And me serve it up with some trilla and yellow yam, some cornmeal dumpling and 2 slices of cooked breadfruit. Yeah? But listen to me, I don't know, say anytime I cook, I have to taste one little piece of my food, you know. I have to taste it, I don't know what I go on camera. I don't cook and when I don't pick it up, I have to taste it. Watch me now. And the breadfruit here, I have time, you know. So I will take 1/2 peg of the breadfruit. And I go take 1 peg out of one of my dumpling. For show no, hey, zoom in for my dumpling, they make me see my dumpling are raw. Zoom in for my dumpling there. Alright. And me I go take piece. Put the camera upon the yam. Make them see. This are the chilla and the yellow yam, you know. This will choke you. You have to know where you go. Me I take one little piece out tight. I'm coming right over here. I'm going to take a little spoonful of my saltfish. And I found a slice of my stir-fried cabbage. And hello, me love the eat, you know. So me I put 1 slice and me raw scotch it on top of it. Hello, yes. See me here? Let me teach you something. You see pepper? Me know some people want to eat pepper and they like this spice. But me I'll teach you how you eat pepper. Don't make it catch your lip. When you put in the pepper inside, in your mouth, open your mouth wide and put it in. Right, now catch your lip, you can't angle it. Chilla and yellow yam. Try how much cabbage. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. And a little crumbs. And me cornmeal dumpling. Another Jamaican dish from West Indian delights. Stir-fried cabbage and saltfish with cornmeal dumpling, chilla and yellow yam, and 2 slices of cooked breadfruit. Alright, enjoy. Enjoy. Remember to thumbs up the videos. Subscribe to this little channel. Leave your comments below. And remember, turn on your notifications. That as soon as we lick another one, on the pan. Hear me? I mean, you know, me see a man. They be from down my yard. I don't go so hard today. Cut me a cut. Boop.